dear students. Today we have Proposition 30, Book 1 of Euclid, Proposition 30. Proposition 30, if there be two lines parallel to the same line, those two lines will be parallel with each other. Look at this green line, the red line, and the black line, with, by the way, the blue line falling upon them. Given that the green line is parallel to the red line and the black line is parallel to the red line. Thus, it is required to show that the green line is also parallel with the black line, okay? We're going to use our bag of knowledge here. We're going to use Proposition 29 all over the place, and then two things equal to the same thing or equal to each other. Let's look at these two lines, which are parallel to each other. We know from Proposition 29 that if there be two lines parallel to each other and another line falling upon them, it creates alternate angles equal to each other. So this angle will be equal to that angle. See these two lines parallel falling upon them, alternate angles, alternate. They are equal to each other. We know, we prove that from Proposition 29. Let that be then, and we know it's so. Okay, now let's look at these two lines. Remember, it was given that this one is also parallel with this one. We know from Proposition 29 that if there be two lines parallel with each other and another line falling upon them, that the exterior angle will be equal to the opposite and interior angle. Okay, so this is equal to this. Well, look at this now. I've got this equal to this and this equal to this. We know that two things equal to the same thing are equal to each other. So this angle is also equal to this angle. Now let's just look at these two things as lines. Okay? We have two lines, straight lines, and another straight line falling upon them, creating alternate angles equal to each other. We're not worried about this line right now, right? You see this line and this line falling upon them, creating alternate angles equal to each other. Therefore, what do we know about those two lines? Yep, they're parallel. Okay? So we have shown that if two lines be parallel to a third line, those two lines will be parallel to each other. Quod erat demonstrandum. Thank you very much.